What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming today to give you another review for Thread Beast. Just recently got the January package in, and I'm trying to do a little bit better and actually get these out in a timely fashion, unlike before where I had to dump like 4 months of videos on you guys, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to try to put out the videos as I get them, so hopefully you can get a better idea of what Thread Beast has to offer. So just a little bit about Thread Beast. Let me get into it so that for those of you that are just now tuning into this channel, Thread Beast is a clothing subscription service that's been around for a while now. Exactly, I'm not really even sure exactly how long it's been, but that's not important. So I'm the type of dude that doesn't like to go shopping. I don't really have a good style. I can't say that I got that. You know, I'm a little whack in that area, but you know, I make up for it in other ways. But to be serious, you know, you have to think about how much you're willing to spend on clothes every month. And, you know, this is a really good situation if you have someone that you care about and you want to hook them up. And let's say you feel like they're like me, like they have no style, like they're pretty lame, but all you need to do is just get their sizes. You can go online, go to threadbeast.com. You can put in the information. They got a couple different style options that you can choose from, and they will put it together for you. They will do all the work. They will do all the hard work, and they'll send you packages and you just get to enjoy them. So just imagine you got you a loved one, a brother, sister, mother, uncle, cousin, not sister. Oh, it is 2021. But beyond that, if you have someone that wears men's clothing, this is a good option for them. You know, the basic package starts off at $55 a month. They say that one gives you probably around about 3 to 4 items or something like that. Then they have the essential package, which is what I get every month. That's $85. And I usually get somewhere between like 5 and 7 items in each package. Sometimes they throw some extra stuff in there. You just never really know what you're going to get. Like, you never know. You're always surprised. With the exception of some things, you know, they've been really big on giving me underwear. I feel like they're trying to tell me something. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But the premium package, which I'm not at that baller status to be spending $135 a month in a pandemic, is $135. And $135, like, you got the chance to get all types of stuff. You know, I want to graduate to that level one day, but right now we ain't there. But all right, enough of that. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Thread Beast January package. Voila. Oh, I am surprised. I got some underwear, some drawers. Wow, great. Drawers. If I didn't have enough underwear. But, you know, it is what it is. I want to be appreciative because it's another pair of underwear. All right, so now we have an alternative earth shirt, t-shirt. Okay, this seems like a nice, breathable cotton type shirt, you know. Seems pretty cool. I think this is like a navy blue. All right, cool. I will definitely be trying that on. Okay, do some jogging pants. It's like a heavy linen. Okay, it's American rag. Okay, we gonna see what these. Uh-oh, they look a little short. Okay, we're gonna see. They're gonna have my ankles out. You already know how I feel about my ankles being out. That's really not my lane. But we ain't gonna get into that today. We're just gonna see what those is working with when I try everything on. Okay, so we have a Young and Reckless extra large. This is like a navy blue sweatshirt. Yeah, we got there. It actually seems like a fairly big navy blue. I mean, a fairly big sweatshirt. I'm not sure about this one. The quality and the stitching is kind of off. I don't know how I feel about that. Might have to reach out to Thread Beast and let them know about this shoddy stitching. Yeah, it's all bad. I don't know. Yeah, at least if I'm gonna get something like this, I at least want to not see stitching like that. Like, that's not cool. That makes you feel like you got like the bottom of the barrel in quality and they just throwing that to you. So not really going for that. So we'll see. All right, a backpack. Been out of school for a couple years, but we're gonna see what I can do with this. Put my little laptop in here. It's got a little laptop compartment. Looks like this probably could fit about a good 16-inch laptop, but really not a whole lot of room for, oh no, it extends a little bit. I guess this is not a bad size backpack. It has a couple extra compartments here. You know, it's the brand is 01C. I think that's what it is. 01C. So this package, it's okay. It's not really exciting per se, but these are all still clothes that I absolutely will wear. I am going to check on this sweatshirt though, because I'm really not happy just being able to see the stitching, and it can actually show like on the back end of it, where that definitely failed the quality control, I'm sure. And if it didn't, I would be very disappointed in Young and Reckless. They need to get their Young and Reckless stuff together. I was about to say ass. I don't know if I can say ass. Ass. I don't know, but either way it goes. So I would imagine that this book bag will probably be around about 40, 50 bucks, I think. You know, the draws, those always run somewhere around about 20 bucks just because of the brand. And even though these are the plain ones, I still think they're probably somewhere around about 15, 20 bucks. I would imagine that this sweatshirt would probably run 45 to 50-ish. I would like to think 45 to 50-ish. So the book bag, let's just cap the book bag out at 50. The sweatshirt's at 50. The drawers at 20. So that's 120 that we're working with right now. These American Rag short ass pants, I'm gonna say those are gonna be around about 45. Let's raise it up, 50. Let's wishful thinking, 50 bucks for these pants. No, American Rag is really not that expensive, so let's just drop it down to 40. So right now we're at 160. And remember, I only paid $85 for all this. And last but not least, this t-shirt, and this is kind of plain, so I don't think I can really price that too high. I think that if I had to really go there, I'd probably say 25 bucks. Anything more than that might be a little bit of a stretch, but that's just my opinion. So I think this package is probably, if I had to estimate, I would think that this package was worth around 180 bucks. So yeah, around 180 bucks. So one thing I would like to add, if you guys like this video, please subscribe so that you'll know whenever I put out a new video and related to Thread Beast and any other brands that I might do a review on, or anything else that I might do a review on, and you can pick and choose whether this is something for you. You can subscribe to the playlist. I think that's something that you can do, just to this playlist, because that's all you would really want to see. You might not be interested in the other stuff. But you also want to like this video if you think it was a good quality. That's really a big thing here on YouTube, is just quality. Yeah, and share the video with anybody that you think might be interested in Thread Beast. You can check the link in the description. In the description, if you're interested, you sign up. They always throw a bunch of extras in their packages. So I think in your first package, they add an extra $50 worth of stuff. So if you sign up through that link below, go ahead and hook that up for yourself. And I really think that this would be a really, really solid gift for anybody looking to help revamp someone's wardrobe. I think about 6 months of this, you know, you're gonna be in a really good place. You do this for a whole year, yeah, you're gonna be on top of things. I really think so. You know, if this is, it's the stuff that you've seen fits your personality, I think you should absolutely go for it. I don't think there's any reason why you should hold back. You know, they have something for everybody, whether you're willing to spend $55 a month, $85 a month, or even the $135. I think it's very well worth it. Every package is not going to hit the mark, but for the most part, I feel that there's still going to be clothes that you would want to wear. And they're pretty responsive if there's something that you don't like or something like a defect or something along those lines. I did call or reach out to them about those mom jeans that they were trying to have me wear. And, you know, it just came down to it where it's just a Levi's thing where, you know, they're always one size smaller. So I just told them, like, just don't send me any more Levi's. They did send me something to help compensate for me not liking those jeans. And yeah, so Thread Beast is pretty dope. I really feel like they are a thumbs up company to subscribe to. You just have to choose what you're comfortable with as far as what level you want to be at. The $55 works, the $85 is pretty good, you know, and one day maybe I'll be able to graduate to the premium packages. You know, that big old $135 and I can start getting some sneakers or something. I don't know. We'll see. But one day it'll all happen. And actually, yeah, they've been around since 2015. It says it right here on the box. I guess I never saw that before. It says quality #1 since 2015. So they're going to have to own up to that with that sweatshirt. But enough of that. I know you want to see how these clothes fit. You want to see these short sweatpants and all the rest of the stuff that I got. Stay tuned. All right, people, here we go. First of all, I got the t-shirt on and it's really, really comfortable. It's really soft. Like it. The linen pants, they fit a little weird in the crotch area. You know what I'm saying? Unlike those mom jeans, I can do my unnecessary lunges that I did. You know, I feel like I got that stretch that I would never need to really actually do, but besides the point. I just felt like you need to be able to move. You know what I'm saying? Like, you never know what you got to do. You just got to be prepared for anything when it happens. Forget all that. Who cares? I don't care. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this outfit is cool. I can see myself rocking it. You know, the t-shirt fits good. It's an extra large, a true extra large. You know, I don't feel like I'm about to burst out of it. I'm cool. Pants just fit a little bit weird, but you know, it is what it is. I can work with it. You know, I'm not gonna give up on them. I can rock them. My ankles ain't showing. My ankles ain't showing. All right. On to the next one. All right, so I got the sweatshirt on. Sweatshirt fits pretty good, you know. Yeah, it fits good. I really don't have too much that I can say. I just wish that the stitching wasn't all off. It could be just a minor detail that I'm being nitpicky over. I don't know, probably is the case. But you know, it is what it is. I feel pretty good about this. I'll definitely be wearing the sweatshirt as well. Same pants. And you know what? Let me go ahead and try on that backpack. I mean, I don't know why you might want to see that, but I'm gonna put it on anyway. Going around town as a grown-ass man with a backpack like you going to school. What you got in your backpack? I don't know. It could be anything. It could be a laptop. It could be my wallet. It could be my things. What kind of things? I don't know. Just things. Got it in my backpack. As a grown man, getting out of a car and going to a place that's not school. I've been there, done that. But I got me a backpack though. You never know when you're gonna need a backpack. Okay, that was so weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the video anyway. I don't know. Like it's I don't know. But here's the book bag. You know, maybe I'm just gonna audit out the audio just because I sound ridiculous. Or I might keep it just so that you guys are amused. Who knows? Oh, I didn't even realize this was open. I'm so unprofessional here. supposed to be trying to make this look good. But that's it.